Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews once again. So today I'm going to review my backpack. Yes, a backpack has always been my travel partner. Whether it's a short trip or a long trip, I always never miss to carry a backpack with me. Even when I have luggage bags, a backpack is a must because I want to carry my snacks, my water bottle and my small stuffs that I don't want to put in my luggage so that I won't be able to pick it up whenever I want. And then when I go shopping, I want to dump all the stuffs inside so that I don't have to carry multiple carry bags. So this backpack is a must for me. So today I'm going to review my beautiful backpack from Skybags. So this is the bright blue beautiful backpack, a big backpack. It's not really big, it's a medium-sized backpack. It looks very compact, but you can store a lot of stuffs inside this. So I'm going to be showing you a demo on this now. So let's go. So this is my backpack from Skybags, the spin-on series Skybags backpack. So let me show you the length. This is about 17 inches in height. And the width is 8 inches. Around 8.5, I think it's 8.5 inches. It's a really big and useful bag. So let me show you the main compartments. This is one main compartment and it's really spacious. So let me show you. This is a double blanket. So I've just put this double blanket into the bag. It's a really big one. I could easily stuff it inside and there is still more space. Can you see? There's still more space. And then, okay, let me close it. Then I will put my laptop also. This compartment is for laptop. So let me put my laptop inside. And there you go. You have the side pockets for water bottles on both the sides. Then you have another front pocket, see, like this. You can actually stuff a lot of things inside this one also. Maybe you can stuff books or whatever you want to carry. There is one more pocket here. You can really stuff a lot of things inside this bag. See? And it's really strong also. It's a really strong bag. If you liked my video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Please check the link in the description box if you want to buy the bag that you've seen in the video. And I have more videos on luggage bags on my channel. Please check that one also. So see you soon with more reviews like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.